Hello traders, welcome to my channel. So in this particular video, I'll be showing you why your MetaTrader 5 is writing authorization failed. Anytime you are trying to log in your GOAT Funded Trader account to your MetaTrader 5 and it is writing authorization failed. Just in case you are new to GOAT Funded, link to someone with GOAT Funded is already in the description of this particular video, and use Pogo 40, you're going to get 40% discount on any account you are going for. So the reason why this authorization is happening is because you are inputting the wrong login details. Once your login or password is wrong, it will write authorization failed. To resolve this particular issue, just go to your email. You understand? When you created your account, GOAT Funded Trader sent your login details to your mail. So once you open it, you see where they wrote login details. If you scroll down, you see details that you need to log in to your MetaTrader 5. I will not show you my own because the password and login details are already there. You understand? I can easily get it from there. So now another method is for you to go to the website, go to your GOAT Funded Trader account. You can say I have a 50k account and also a 100k account with GOAT Funded Trader. So my 50k account, although is already down by almost 2%, but I'll still recover it. But once you come to your account, you understand this 50k account, if you want to connect it and it's right authorization fail, all you need to do is just click on this particular place where they wrote credentials. If you click on credentials, then you see your login. Do you understand? Your login ID, you see your password. Then you're expected to know your important. Then you go back to MetaTrader 5. Go ahead and paste that login details here, your login ID, and paste that password here. Make sure you select the correct server. And this is the correct server. Go to 100 server 3. If you put the wrong server, because that's where people normally forget that server and the authorization failed for them. So make sure you're inputting the correct one. Once you are done, hit on login. Are you getting me? So my good furniture is already logged in, so there's no need logging it in again. Just try it out. And if you notice any issue, you can come and drop it in the comment section. Let me tell you how to go about it. Just a quick one, guys. I have a Telegram community where I drop free signals, and here we trade derivative synthetic indices and also currency pairs, and we are profitable in this particular Telegram community. So if you want to check out our signal, we use Deriv Broker. Deriv is the broker we are using because Deriv Broker offers derivative synthetic indices, currency pair stocks. Do you understand? Because of that, and I have a very tight spread. So because of that, indices and the rest, that is the reason why we are using Deriv. So go to the description of this particular video and sign up with Deriv Broker, and then you can join our Telegram community. Let us make this money together. If you find this video very helpful and you've learned how to resolve your issue when it comes to authorization failed, anytime I'm trying to log in your GOAT Funded Trader to your MetaTrader 5, don't forget to do us just one favor by liking this video and subscribing to this particular channel.